Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Minotaur effectively in Mobile Legends. Minotaur is a fantastic tank and support hero, known for his incredible durability and ability to turn the tide of battle. He brings powerful crowd control and essential healing to any team composition. Understanding his unique rage mechanic is key to mastering his full potential and dominating the battlefield. Let's dive into his abilities. Minotaur's first skill, Despair Hammer, allows him to deal damage and slow down enemies, making it great for engaging or disengaging. His second skill, Motivation Roar, provides crucial healing for himself and nearby allies, sustaining your team through tough fights. But the real game changer is his ultimate, Minotaur Fury, which unleashes a devastating knock-up on multiple opponents. Remember, these skills are enhanced when he enters his powerful rage mode. When playing Minotaur, focus on building robust defensive items such as the Cursed Helmet and Oracle to maximize your survivability. Always aim to initiate team fights with your ultimate Minotaur Fury, especially when your rage bar is completely full for maximum impact. Throughout skirmishes, consistently use your Motivation Roar to keep your allies healthy. Your primary goal is to position yourself strategically to shield your team's core damage dealers. In team fights, your ultimate, Minotaur Fury, is your most impactful tool. Strive to hit at least 3 or more enemies with its powerful knock-up to disrupt their formation. Effective coordination with your teammates is vital for chaining skill combinations after your initiation. Always consider using bushes for unexpected engagements, catching opponents off guard. Remember, your role is to be the frontline protector, so prioritize safeguarding your marksman or mage above all else.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.